Hi, I'm Stuart and welcome to SIRENNET Television over here at Star Cars, where they're putting together a brand new Ford Mach-E vehicle for an agency here in the Pacific Northwest. It's going to be used as a administration vehicle, but of course obviously from time to time they may have to respond to a particular incident if the need arises. So we're going to take a look at the build being built right now. Let's go inside. Well, the gang over here at Star Car have actually finished the building of this new Ford Mach-E. In fact, right now it's getting a shampoo and set behind me there. The lads are giving it a quick spring cleaning because here in the Pacific Northwest we're known for our pollen. And there's an awful lot of it around because it is a beautiful sunny day. But now we're going to take a look at the car and not so much about the weather. Well, there you have it, a pretty straightforward build for the gang over here at Star Cars. Basically what's happening with this vehicle, it's going to be an administration vehicle. It may need from time to time to respond to a call. So obviously it's been set up with all the respective lights and audible warning / siren systems. Core is the main core behind the siren amplification here, and the lighting package is also supplied by Whelan as well. So again, straightforward, easy build. The gang at Star Car took them roughly about a day and a half, maybe, to put this together. And of course, it's going to be out on the roads starting tomorrow, actually. So for myself, Stuart at SIRENNET Television. I'd like to wish you all a great day. And remember, whatever you're doing, stay safe out there.